Go ahead and flat foot. Flat foot.
Daddy, I need you to help me build another tower.
Can you kick?
Okay. Let me see. Can you say it again?
What is your name?
Isabella Valuzzo.
That's right.
That's right. Isabella Valuzzo.
I'm itching my eyes.
Or also known as Izzy B.
Can you say your name again?
When we go to preschool, we say our name. What's your name? Isabella Valuzzo.
That's Valuzzo.
Now let's see if Kai will try. Get it, Kyler. You digging this, a bee?
He's digging. No, my
That's your handprint, dude. What do you think? Is it awesome? You making ice cream, Izzy B?
Yes.
Whoa.
Pretty full, huh?
Now what do you do?
He's laughing.
What do you think, buddy? You like bass?
He likes it. He likes to kick in the water.
Kyler, do you like it?
Look at him kicking really fast.